Hello, everyone. I'm Bob Ashton. I'm planning to give my course on astronomy for beginners one more time. This is the fourth time I have given it, and I think it gets better all the time as I find more things to use as illustrations. Some things we will cover, such as the Big Bang, black holes, various kinds of stars, how they form, and what happens when they explode, that is, go supernova. Why they so-called cosmic back radiation provides so much information. We will also touch on the new field of gravitational waves. What we will not cover are the names of specific stars or constellations. What we will cover on the way to are various things that explain phenomena around us. How does gravity work? The effects on tides, what affects the motions of the moon, the various planets, stars, and galaxies. Why is the sky blue? The sunset's red and grass green. What good visuals and or explanations? It's really not complicated. It's fun, and with a relatively small group, conversations should be easy. If this sounds interesting to you, I hope you'll join us. Thank you very much.
Thank you for listening to this short presentation by Ollie at USM. Fall registration opens August 4th at midnight. So if you have questions about this class or want help with registration, please feel free to give us a call at 207-780-4406 or email us at olliatusm@maine.edu. We hope to see you in the fall.